Hey guys, Breton here at the Boyle County Public Library. Today we are making a really fun candy catapult out of some craft sticks, rubber bands, and a plastic spoon. The candy part is going to be some marshmallows and some candy corn pumpkins that we are going to launch using our catapult. Just like so.
Thanks, Breton, for that introduction. My name is Kinsey, and I'll be showing you how to make your candy catapult. So these are the materials that will come in your bag. You will find instructions, and you will also find a fun bookmark with other STEM books that you can check out to learn how to make more. And then these are the supplies that you'll have for your candy catapult. So you'll have one plastic spoon, one jumbo craft stick, 3 rubber bands, and then 9 small craft sticks. So let's get started. First step is that you are going to take your 9 craft sticks and you're going to stack them. So your instructions say to stack 6 of them, but we are giving you 9 so that you can adjust the height of your catapult depending on how much spring you want your launch to have when launching your marshmallows and candy pumpkins. Alright, so we have our stack, and now we are going to take a rubber band, and we are going to tie our rubber band around one of the ends of our stack. I'm right-handed, so I'll do, to me, the right side. So you're going to take your rubber band, twist it, and fold it over. Twist it, fold it over. Twist it, fold it over. So now you should have your stack. So the next thing you're going to do is take your jumbo or larger craft stick, and you're going to separate out the bottom small craft stick from your stack, and in between the bottom one and the rest of the stack, that's how you're going to insert in your jumbo craft stick. So it should make like a T or an X or a cross, however you identify that shape. That's how it should be. So it should be in the middle of your stack. Then you're going to take your other rubber band and tie the other side. So again, rubber band around the stack, twist it, over, twist, over, twist, over, twist, over, one more, twist, over, till it's nice and tight. Alright, so we have our stack, we have our big craft stick. It is secured in between our stack. This is our catapult so far. So this is the base of our catapult, and now we need the part that we'll launch our candy off of, which is where our plastic spoon comes in. So you're going to take your spoon and place it right along where your big craft stick is and over top of the stack of small craft sticks. Then you're going to take your last rubber band and you're going to tie it around the bottom of the spoon and the jumbo craft stick, making sure your spoon is still on top of the stack. So again, twist, over, twist, over, twist, over, until it is tight. I think I'll do one more. Alright, so now we have our catapult. So the height of the stack determines how much bend you can do when launching your candy, so that's why we say 6 on the instructions, but we built it a little bit higher because the pumpkins are a little heavier, so they might need a little more spring in the launch. So there's your candy catapult. I will let Breton demonstrate some more launching marshmallows and candy pumpkins.
Hey guys, this is Breton, and we're going to try some different candies with our candy catapult. First, let's try this little marshmallow. That's pretty cool. Now let's try this fun candy corn pumpkin. Do you like candy corn? I don't. Alright. Let's try this guy. He's a little sticky. But he might go. No. One more time. Do you have better luck with the big marshmallows? Let us know. Alright, so to get your candy catapult, you can come into the library and get your kit. You can also join us on Friday. What's the date? You can also join us on Friday, October 15th, to make your candy catapult here at the library. If you would like, you can also request your kit via curbside. So you can just give us a call at the library at 238-7323 and request your kit on curbside. Alright, we hope you have a lot of fun. Let us know how it goes, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye, guys.